Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to repair a corrupted external hard drive without formatting, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first thing we need to know is maybe the external hard drive is not corrupted, it's just a virus or a malware that is preventing us from reading the drive. So for that we'll go to virus and threat protection settings and we will go to scan options. Now if you're using a third party software, you need to run the antivirus or anti-malware scan from that software. Here I'm using the pre-installed Windows antivirus and threat protection. So I'll go to scan options, full scan, and I will click on scan now. And then I will restart the computer by pressing on the start button, the power button, and click on restart. Now we need to plug in the hard disk, the external hard drive again to check whether it's being read or not. If it's not being read, then we can perform the check disk scan. Go to command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then enter the command chkdsk space /f space /r, and we will enter the volume of the drive or the name of the drive. If the drive is labeled as D or J or C, then you need to enter the drive letter initials. So my drive is named as J, and I will put a colon here, and then I will press enter to scan the external hard drive. Now this will detect any bad sectors in the hard drive and it will repair them. If this doesn't work, then we'll enter the command sfc space /scannow and we'll press enter. Now I'm not entering these commands because these scans take quite a long time and I keep this video short for your convenience. Now after you run these two scans, if still the drive is not being read, then you need to convert the drive in the raw format. So how we'll do that is we'll right click on the start button and look for disk management. All right, and you will see all the drives here. So if the external hard drive is unallocated, it comes as unallocated here, right click on it, click on new simple volume, click on next, and you can specify the size of the drive you want. Click on next, and you can assign any letter to the drive. Say I assign the K drive and click on next, and then on we'll keep the file system as NTFS and we'll click on next, and then we'll click on finish, and then we will be able to read the drive. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.